Hi, welcome back to the Firenzecolor classroom. Today I'm going to be showing you a technique that you can do with our Animamundi product to achieve a uniquely metallic linear effect on your walls. And to start, you're going to start with our Novolux paint primer as your base coat. Looks like this, white. And you're going to put your first coat of Animamundi. Color I'm using is AMS 429. You're going to apply it just thick enough to be opaque. Cover up any transparent spots that are showing through to the primer. Then you're going to clean off your trowel. And with a clean trowel, you're going to just randomize your movement just to give it a light texture. And it'll look like a heavy texture because of the reflection, but it's actually going to be very low texture. Then knock down any suction lines or any drag marks, any scratches. And that's your first coat. Let that dry. And when that dries, you look like this. And your second coat, I'm going to use a two-tone color. The second color is called AMS 421. Clean off your trowel. And you're going to put a nice coat over all that. You can show through a little bit of the texture, should be able to start showing through. Even coat. Then as that starts to dry, you're going to just start putting your trowel almost flat and drag with the edge of your trowel up and down. And you're trying to achieve a random pattern, so you don't have to really focus too much on getting your lines perfectly even. Up and down, and the edge of your trowel will create those lines. You're going to let this dry up a little bit as you work the wall. And to simulate that, I'm going to use a blow dryer. Just so I can let it start drying up a little bit. I'm going to come back and continue smoothing and adding more lines at the same time. And those lines are all coming from the edge of my trowel, revealing the darker color underneath. You don't have to go a certain direction. You can go back and forth. You can add in the middle of your wall if you want, and it should all blend pretty nicely. Okay, and once you've got that to where you want it, you're going to let that dry, and you're going to come back and you're going to put our sealer, which is called Dune Clear Coat. And you can apply that with a roller or a brush or a sponge. Just a thin, even coat. And that'll seal it. It'll make the metallic in it shine and look nice for life. And you're done. And that's it for this instructional video. You can go to our YouTube channel for more of our plaster products and techniques.